Hi everyone. How are your English listening skills? Today we're gonna show about the great way to understand fast English. First you'll see an image and sentences. Listen and try to understand. Next comes a listen and repeat. Then, listen carefully and see if you can repeat correctly. We will show you the vocabulary at the end. Don't forget the listen again with subtitle. It is great way to practice your English. If you're interested, please continue watching this video. Listen and try to understand the sentences.
What day is today? What day is today? What day is today? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Did you get that? Did you get that? Did you get that? I'm ready for breakfast. I'm ready for breakfast. I have bought the car. I have bought the car. I have bought the car. I'm good at tennis. I'm good at tennis. I'm good at tennis. May I have some water? May I have some water? May I have some water? What color is this? What color is this? What color is this?
Listen and repeat sentences.
What day is today? Can you help me? Did you get that? I'm ready for breakfast. I have bought the car. I'm good at tennis. May I have some water? What color is this?
Vocabulary. Bought. Some. Day. Today. Help. Get. Ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.